Are you wondering whether a maintenance membership might be a good fit for you and which one that might be? So it's not a question of routine maintenance being a thing. On all water features that has to happen. But in this video, we're gonna walk through all 3 of our maintenance memberships, who they are a good fit for, who they are not a good fit for, as well as if it's even a good fit at all for you to have a maintenance membership. And by the end of this video, you're gonna have a crystal clear vision on which membership, if any at all, best suits your lifestyle. All right, so let's get this out of the way right off the bat, guys. A maintenance membership is not a good fit for people who enjoy doing their own drain and clean in the springtime. It is not a good fit for you if you want full control of all the maintenance and want to have your hands on every little aspect of it. And it is also not a good fit for you if you are one of the people who's a DIYer or you want to save money by doing all this stuff yourself. So if you are one of those people, you know, you can probably stop here. A maintenance membership with us is probably not a good fit for you. All right, so our Essentials maintenance membership, this is just, this is our main thing, exactly what it sounds, the Essentials. This is a great fit for you if you don't want to do the major seasonal services, such as the drain and clean. If you want a little bit of mid-season support, and this is really good for hands-on homeowners. You don't mind getting your hands dirty every now and then, but you don't really want to do the whole drain and clean of your water feature and the super heavy lifting in the springtime. So if you don't mind regular involvement, then this is definitely a good membership for you guys. Okay, so moving on to our premium maintenance membership. So this includes monthly visits, all the stuff of the Essentials, and this is minimal homeowner involvement. So this is a really good fit for you if you only want to do about 5 to 10 minutes of work every other week to your water feature. So, I mean, you're literally going to be, if you got a pond, you're cleaning your skimmer basket and your skimmer pad once every other week in between visits. So really, if you want minimal involvement, this is gonna be a great membership for you. But again, this is not a hands-off service. So if you want hands-off service, the premium membership is not the right one for you. All right, guys, so on to our VIP membership. This is exactly what it sounds like. This is going to be the best fit for you if you want the white glove, hands-off experience. This membership literally includes everything down to the products that go in your water feature to the point where you literally have to do nothing but enjoy your water feature. This is a high dollar membership. It's not on sale because it is taking all of the work for you guys out of the equation so that you can spend the most amount of time enjoying your water feature instead of working on it. So this is a great fit if you want a water feature, but you don't want to have to deal with the maintenance that goes with it. This is a horrible fit for you if you're a very hands-on homeowner and you want to be involved with your water feature on more than an enjoyment basis. If you want to be doing stuff that involves the fish outside of just feeding the little guys or the big guys, if you want to be, trimming plants and doing a bunch of stuff and repotting your lilies, experimenting, then this probably isn't going to be the best membership for you. This is specifically meant for homeowners that literally want to do nothing with their water feature but enjoy it, and that is it. All right, guys, so reviewing these maintenance memberships, just for complete clarity, this is about what level of involvement you want when it comes to the maintenance in your water feature. Because again, maintenance is not really an option when it comes to these things. No water feature is zero maintenance. So it's about how hands-on you want to be with this. So hopefully you guys have a crystal clear vision by now of whether one of these memberships is right for you, and if so, which one it is. And if you're curious and you got more questions on this, hit the contact form, give us a call. We'd be happy to go through your lifestyle and see which one of these might actually suit your needs best so that you can figure out what level of hands-on you want to be and enjoy your water feature as much as possible.